Here in this problem, what we're going to do is we're going to take the log first of both sides. So ln y, oops. Let's try again. Ln y equals the ln of all of this. Still part of that first step, I want to now expand the right-hand side using the laws of logarithms. So ln y is going to be the ln of the numerator minus the ln of the denominator. This logarithm, the first term, is a log of a product, so we can break that apart as the sum of two more logs. And then while I'm at it, okay, so it'll be log of ln. This will be equal to the ln of x squared plus 1 plus the ln of x plus 3 to the 1/2, but the 1/2 we're going to bring out in front, right? Because it's a power, so we can bring the power in front of the logarithm. So 1/2 ln of x plus 3 minus ln of x minus 1. All right, so that's step 1. Now, for step 2, we want to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d dx, the left side, and d dx, this whole side here. On the left side, we need to use chain rule, right? d dx of ln y. So this is the argument. So using the chain rule version for the derivative of ln, it's going to be 1 over the argument. So in this case, 1 over y, right? Times the derivative of the argument. The derivative of y with respect to x, that's just going to be dy dx. On the right side, now we're just differentiating logarithms. So for the first derivative, the derivative of ln of x squared plus 1, that's just going to be 1 over the argument. So 1 over x squared plus 1 times the derivative of the argument, 2x, plus 1/2 times the derivative of ln of x plus 3. So that's going to be 1 over the argument times the derivative of the argument, 1, so we don't need to write anything, right? So just 1, minus the derivative of ln over ln of x minus 1, so it's going to be 1 over x minus 1 times 1. Okay. Now, step 3, we need to solve for y prime, but y prime is just dy dx, right? So to get this by itself, I need to get rid of this. So yeah, so we just now multiply both sides by y. Okay. So for that third step, we need to get dy dx by itself. So we're going to multiply both sides by, multiply this side by y. And then we're going to multiply this side as well by y. So what happens is on the left side, we have dy dx. On the right side, y is what? So the original was y in terms of x, right? So we need the derivative to be y in terms of x only. So this y, well, what is it equal to? That one. So that y on that side, we need to replace it with that. So our final answer, dy dx. I forget what it was. I think it was x squared minus 1, x squared plus 1. X plus 3 to the 1/2 over x minus 1. That's all multiplied by 2x over x squared plus 1 plus 1 over 2 times x plus 3 minus 1 over x minus 1. That's it.